my God, come go! What? Really? Nope. Red light runner. Red light runner. What are you doing on the wrong side of the street? What the fuck? What was that? Oh, you done make it.
The law lags woefully behind. So,
red light runner. Holy crap!
Here. Precisely, I think that's.
But coming in with weak sauce, vague promises on the progressive ideas, but
you gotta be kidding me.
When you're attacking progressive ideas, especially on front.
Like that guy is literally like the worst representation of a sports fan you could possibly have.
Holy shit, seriously, why do people have to clog? Oh!
Put it on the back
what are you doing?
It's just start fucking kicking the shit. Going and get a physical, 99.9% you're gonna be alright. And, if you're not, it's great you went in, because then
move your
ass.
Maybe
save you. But if you go in early, it's like back in the day, like getting tested for HIV/AIDS. The first test.
This is what causes traffic jams, people.
Your entire career.
If you're gonna merge,
Everything
just
you
fucking merge.
You just sat there sweating.
Wow, right from the center lane. Someone always says that. Don't you think about it? Don't you think? Yep, he thought about it, and he's doing it. Oh, right up there, that tow truck thingy. Oh, right up there. Damn. Nope. Move up. You're like running 10 seconds behind the car in front of you. 20 seconds maybe, I don't know. Wow. You gotta hurry. Or you're gonna wait. There's cones up. What? What? What the fuck is that? Oh, that cut across from the middle-ish lane. That's a dumb move, man. Exit from the center lane. And white car up there. Oh, through the bullnose up there. Oops, wrong exit. Oh, Toyota's a move over. Another gray van crossing into that carpool lane. Wow, why would you do that? I can't do it. Oh, you should have went. Go! No, turn on red. There he goes.
That it says is stronger because it would strip a company of its monopoly on a drug if the
You got your right signal
refuses
on.
to agree to a reasonable price.
Left or the right, I share so much in common with so many people in both the left and the right that I
That
almost
Jeep
want
ran
to
the
put
red
a
light.
graph down of
Had
like,
to.
How do you live numbers? You know, some people took that as like, well, he's being honest.
I think Priuses do come with brakes.
They kind of missed.
I think.
The reason why I got
Red light runner, Subaru.
Processing or rumination. And you have an additional 2 choices here. If good things happen to good people,
Red light
bad
runner.
things happen to bad people.
Long Island. Red light runner, that white bus looking thing. Oh, that was bad.
Please say a command. Try saying a device name like phone or USB.
Cancel.
Main menu. Say a command.
Cancel. I wanted to stop music because I anticipated it.
You can say a device name like
Cancel!
audio, CD, or radio.
Go
Phone
fuck
is
yourself.
always
How about
active,
that?
So you can say things like, call John's.
There he goes. Nissan drivers. Hey, wait, Subaru. Wait a second. Asshole left. Red light runner. Asshole left. Asshole left. What the fuck? What the fuck are people doing here? What was that? There's masshole lefts, and then there are masshole lefts.
Marquez was in second, and then is it Petrucci?
Oh, red light runner.
Danilo Petrucci.
Wow. Oh, 2 in a row? Are you nuts? Subaru drivers. You gotta be kidding me. While you're on your phone. Wow.
Leave it alone. Simple as that. Simple as that. But I'm looking back here, the shit that you said, she does seem really cool.
Come on.
You're in a rut. I mean, it just... Since I started boozing when I was 17. As far as like keeping track.
What?
I didn't drink.
He's still going straight. What the hell?
A year and 2 days. So...
I'm just gonna scoot around you, if you don't mind. Really?
about driver pay, about their employment status. It's going to get worse. It's going to continue. It's not going to wait, guys. All you people say, hey, self-driving vehicles, that's the future, get over it. I'm going to tell you right now.
Hey, you can't do that. the car next to me. You can't turn right there. There's a, you know, the ramp's over there to turn right. Not there. Oh, that dump truck up there went straight. They just flipped the guy off, too. Holy shit!
Make him change faster, because we're all going to get involved. But Cenk Uygur nailed it on Nancy Pelosi. By the way, nobody,
running red light.
Nobody in Washington, D.C. will read this and think...
What the hell that guy's doing up the shoulder? Wow. How's that Acura doing? What the light? People are just stupid. Wow. That's ballsy. Douchebag. First time I ever seen one on the left shoulder, at least in a while. Douchebag. Seriously.
And it didn't seem to really inform him as much as...
Really?
Some people
and a state vehicle, too.
Informed him, like Tulsi Gabbard. I don't think he got the lessons that we would want him to.
Why would you do that? Wait, why are you turning when it's red? Over the line! Oh, holy shit! Just roll right through. There he goes. Now, and that guy obviously ran the red arrow, too. Over the line!
It would have dropped more than it's dropping right now, but I tend to doubt it. But with this, like, it's weirdness. Alrighty! See you later, there, lady. It was a fun 2 months.
Why? What's wrong with this picture? I'll give you 4 guesses. Oh, shit. What the fuck? How wide do you have to take these turns? I ran red light up there. Come on.
How's that congressman who was actually at one of the protests? Yeah, I should remember. Let's see
that
here.
PT loser. Or not, that's not a PT loser, that's an HHR, never mind.
Yeah.